On October 16th, I called out on X these massive unusual options alerts that hit the options market. We saw a ton of call buying come through. The very next day, we saw price gap down and pull right into our smart money zone. Now, if you understand smart money zones and you've taken our free smart money zone course, you know that this is basically where institutions are going to step in and the most ideal time to be looking to enter a position long. This was right back here on the 17th, and since then, price has bounced to absolute perfection. And in this quick video, I want to share with you why we were bullish, more importantly, where I think this thing is headed in the next couple of weeks, because we have a pretty big breakout ahead of us if this continues. I think that 400 to 450 could happen, and I want to share with you my analysis. So the first part of this was the options alerts that came through. If we go into our THT heat map and student portal, which all of our students get access to, we can scroll down to the ticker section and we can actually search for Coinbase alone. You can see that these are the two options that have come through. We had an unusual options alert that ended up coming through here on October 16th. We saw multiple $1 million sweeps or orders for the expiration of 11/21/2025 with a $370 strike price. All of the options flow that we actually post and cover here is posted by me, because 99% of options flow is worthless. So this has to be posted by myself in order to be considered unusual. Then just 4 days later on October 20th, we see more calls come through. Once again, multi-million dollars worth of options for, once again, same strike and same date, 11/21/2025, $370 strike price. Now, if you want to learn what makes an options flow unusual and how to actually find these and read these on your own, within our free courses down below, under step 4, you can take the options flow mastery course, and I go over it in detail there. So at the time, we have price pulling back into this support level. We were trading at a significant discount. Price sold off about 20% in 8 days. And then when normally price would bounce at our smart money zone, we see all of this options activity come through on the options market. Those two things together is a huge indication, in my opinion, that a stock is going to bounce. I mean, we've seen a lot of these recently. Robinhood is another one that I'm going to be doing a video on. Alpha Gold Alert comes through. Price bounces right outside of smart money zone. Coinbase is another one. And there are a couple of others that are currently in the market. So I went in, I started buying call options right inside of our smart money zone. And since then, price has bounced to perfection and market structure is holding as well, which is very important. Now, in most cases, when we have bullish market structure, price is going to move in a linear fashion. Big breakout to the upside, pull back into a discount. This is where that smart money zone is. Price breaks out again, pulls back into a discount, breaks back again, and it will continue to do this until the structure breaks. And our goal and job, which we teach within our courses, is that we want to be accumulating in these areas of significant discount. This is where your smart money zone is going to be placed. And so that means that if structure is going to continue, then price should bounce out of this smart money zone, break out to maybe highs of $410 to $420, and then potentially reject, pull back, and do it all over again. So my short-term target here for Coinbase by the end of November is about $410 to $440. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you all next time. If you want to get access to all of the indicators that we use in these videos, as well as learn how to implement them within the strategy, go ahead and check out the link to our trading library down below. You'll get access to the BX Trender, the Smart Money Mastery and Smart Money Zones, and the volume profile. Each course shows you how to actually set up the indicators, the proprietary settings. Over 20,000 students have implemented this into their trading system and are seeing consistent profits from as low as $10,000 all the way up to over $3 million. The link will be in the description.